Hi guys, you probably read the title. I'm gonna, parentheses, try to eat like IU for the next 3 days. Disclaimer here, I am not suggesting weight loss or any type of diet. I'm just purely doing this out of enjoyment and entertainment. You're probably wondering, why, Gina? Because I'm going to IU concert! I am so excited. I'm gonna see her performing in Oakland. Oh my god, I'm so excited. In order for me to remember this special day, the day I get to meet my idol, might as well, if I'm gonna see her, let's try to eat like her today. What IU diet is 1 apple for breakfast, 1 sweet potato, 고구마, for lunch, protein shake for dinner. This is all she's eating in 1 day. She does not recommend this diet because it's really extreme. Let's get this journey started. For day 1, I had a Honeycrisp apple for breakfast. It was sweet and crispy, just like an apple should be. Oh, she's so good. I wish there was peanut butter with this. It's just apples. I mean, it's sweet and great, but... However, I found myself hungry again just after 30 minutes. So I quickly moved on to lunch, which consisted of 1 sweet potato. If the sweet potato is done. If it actually pokes through like that, that's done. I don't think this one's quite done yet. It's very hard inside. I'm pretty sure I ate smaller than this sweet potato. So I'm just gonna splurge a little. Crazy girl. I'm being sarcastic. Ooh. At this point, I realized how intense this diet is. I wish there was kimchi. I got the wrong sweet potato. This is just a regular one. It wasn't enough food. I felt neither full nor nourished. Look at him, he's waiting patiently. He's so patient. Don't forget to take your vitamins. This is magnesium, calcium, multivitamin, vitamin D, fish oil. Thankfully, I didn't forget to take my vitamins. For dinner, I had a protein shake. I actually stuck to the IU diet day 1, but it left me feeling exhausted and low on energy. For day 2, I woke up tired and decided to try a cosmic apple, which left me shocked because it didn't turn brown even after hours of being cut. This trademark lab-made apple is supposed to be less sweet than a Honeycrisp, but I found it a bit sour and super crispy. You can see how unsatisfied I looked. It left me feeling even hungrier and more tired. Done. For lunch, yes, it was sweet potato again, but this time I decided to add more food by having a salad with spinach, cucumber, and mozzarella cheese. I didn't record it, but I also had some grapes and strawberries. Sugar! I immediately felt better. If anything, I think my blood sugar was low. Again, this diet is no good. Do not copy this. It is dinner time. I ran into a little problem. My loving husband brought me dinner. I had a protein shake as an appetizer. Technically, I am still on IU diet. Just turned into my version. Oh, my mouth is watering. What do I do? I'm not gonna not eat. Then came to a delicious pork dish with kimchi and rice. These little veggie wraps, and it was fantastic. Day 2 turned out to be great. I felt so much more energized. For day 3, I started the day with some cosmic apple and added chia seeds, which are packed with fiber. But I have to ask, IU, girl, do you not poop? I haven't gone to the bathroom since starting this diet. For lunch and dinner, I had sweet potato with a green salad. For dressing, I mixed apple cider vinegar, whole mustard seeds, cucumber, cheese, and tofu, along with another protein shake. After this dinner, I also had another chicken salad. I am officially done with IU diet. Yay! I'm gonna rate it 4 out of 10. It was too extreme, unattainable. I was hungry It wasn't a lot of food. Did I lose weight? I'm not sure. Did I lose a bloat? Definitely. I only did it for 3 days and it was already so intense. And I'm craving food. I do not recommend this diet to anyone because it will mess up with your mental, and this could give you an eating disorder like IU did. IU talked about it publicly that she did have bulimia and like other eating disorders. So do not copy this. I do not recommend this diet. I tried it, do not recommend. After this diet, I attended the IU concert in Oakland. It was my first time seeing her live and I had an amazing time. I realized becoming a K-pop star like IU isn't easy. But after this diet and seeing her perform live, mad respect, mad respect. She is one disciplined and inspiring woman, and I'm just so grateful to be living in the same time as her. If you want to see more of these series, let me know in the comments. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.